How to add money on Cash App from your bank account or add funds from your debit card or anything else. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add money to your Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to actually add cash funds and deposit money to your Cash App from debit card, you want to make sure first that you have linked your bank account. If you don't know how to link your bank account to your Cash App, then you can watch our other video. The process is simply very simple. Now, assuming that you have already linked your debit card or your bank account, anything else to your Cash App, open the Cash App application and tap on the My Cash tab on the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you do so, you have to tap on the option that says add cash over here. So as you can see, the option that says add cash, just tap on it. As you tap on the add cash option, enter the amount of money that you want to add to Cash App. So just go ahead and enter the amount of money and then tap on the add button at the bottom of the screen. Then you can just go ahead and also enter your cash pin to confirm it. And that's all it takes to add money to your Cash App or deposit funds to your Cash App using your bank account. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.